AJ and Will. You are live on ITV2. Please do not swear. Henry.
This is ITV2, and we are sorry that we have lost tonight's big brother. Stay right here, though. We're sure it's just a few gremlins in the works. This still is ITV2, and we are unable to continue with tonight's big brother. This is due to what seems to be zombies attacking the crowd and trying to enter the building. ITV2 will now suspend programming, and we advise everyone to stay safe and to stay indoors. For more information, please switch over to ITV1. Again, we are now suspending programming. Please switch over to ITV1.